Gglot transcription.
What are the AmberScript alternatives? As we all live in the world of pandemic, there is an increased demand for automated transcription software services. And nowadays, if you are a lockdown a journalist, a college student, business professional, you run your meetings online, you engage in telepresence, you record the important phone calls, you are looking for the affordable service to effectively assist you in this activity. So what are the alternatives to AmberScript when it comes to conversion of audio to text? Our suggestion is Gglot. We developed this Jiglog in the United States, and this startup supports 60 languages, and you can transcribe your notes, your voice memos, your audio into text into over 60 languages such as English, Spanish, French, Japanese. So you can have support for your European operations. You can have support for your Asian operations in the United States. Price-wise, Gglot beats AmberScript by a factor of 50%. The price per minute at AmberScript is around 16 cents per minute, while Gglot offers the same level of service and features for as little as 9 cents per minute. Take a look and subscribe.
Gglot transcription.